केला तुमकां
ना
स्पेशली
जी कामां पेंडींग आसा सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट जी आसा ती आतां जातली.
आनी इवन तुमी काल तवडकाराक सांगले तवडकारान तुमकां एश्युरन्स दिले दिगंबरानूय दिले यू फी बिकॉज यू हॅव बीन रनिंग फॉर द पास्ट 4 years यू हॅव बीन फॉलोईंग ऑल दीस इश्यूज तुमकां दिसता आतां देखून हे करतले म्हणून त्या लोकांक तुका आन्सर करचें पडटा.
There are a lot of works that are at the final stages of where it is pending financial approval, where it is pending work order. Honorable Minister, along with Honorable Chief Minister, have given me assurance as soon as this budget is approved today, we will give work orders or financial approvals to all the other works. So I think we will have at least 6-7 crores worth of works in Mapsa constituency in the next week or so.
Why are you not facing problems, Joshua? Because एश्युरन्स दिता आनी तुज्या म्हापशान कांय जायना म्हणून लोक तुका विचारता मागीर
काय जायना म्हणटा there is always a narrative that काय जायना. Just now we inaugurated a road that took 4.5 years to complete, that had many issues, that faced a lot of technical legal difficulties. We have just completed a road and that is giving relief to, I don't know, people from Perne, right from Perne Keri till all the people Mapsa and surrounding Mapsa. There are 2-3 hospitals in that vicinity. There is a lot of traffic movement. There is a lot of traffic congestion. All this relief is going to be there. So that is also a very important project of Mapsa city for the people of Mapsa and all the people that come.
So will
that visit
Ravin
Mapsa.
Bhawan foundation stone be laid before assembly?
Ultimately, it is a land acquisition issue. I would like it to have been laid 2 years ago. It is still not done.
Correct.
With whatever dialogue, whatever negotiation, whatever the Comunidad people want, whatever the department wants, they also have to be finally satisfied and they have to go ahead with it. We have given a location in where there will be no additional traffic burden on Mapsa. Strategically, geographically, it is one of the best locations. A lot of people want it next to Budgeshwar temple, but those are all fields. So again there will be शेतकरी येतले फुडें आमकां हांगा नाका आनी कोण NGO येतले. There will be many other issues over there. This is a settlement area. This is just touching the highway. हायवेच्यान भितर सरलो जे प्रोग्राम आहा ते अटेंड करूंक शकता आनी रोखडो टर्न मारून परत हायवेक धरून तूं घरा वचोंक शकता.
Joshua, in another 2 months' time, you have municipality elections also. So how are you coping up all these issues? Especially because तुमकां लोकांच्या दारांनी वचपाक जाय आतां पडटा मागीर.
See, we have addressed the most important issue was water issues. Yesterday, all the MLAs spoke about water shortage. We have created multiple locations where we have created reservoirs through the Amrut scheme. Honorable then PWD Minister Bab Nilesh Kabral was very helpful to assure that we got those approvals done and we could have these overhead water tanks, groundwater tanks, which are almost in their final stages. Within a few months we will have those operational where we will have no water problem. We have done underground cabling in the city of Mapsa. So I have given basic necessity of water and light to people. Now that the water and light is done, all the digging is over, we'll finish the roads and the most important essential issues are solved.
Okay.